Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the best ways to make money online. Today, I've got something super exciting for you. Imagine making money by sharing your knowledge and passion with others, all from home. I'm going to show you how to start your very own online coaching business with zero investment. Whether you're a fitness guru, a career advisor, or a life coach, there's a market out there waiting for your expertise. And the best part? You don't need a single dollar to get started. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make it happen. First things first, let's identify your niche. Think about what you're really good at or passionate about. Is it helping people find their dream job or motivating others to get fit? Whatever it is, that's your starting point. Create a plan. Define your services and set clear goals. How many clients per month? What schedule works best? Planning ensures you stay on track and manage time effectively. Let's talk about building your online presence. You don't need a fancy website. A LinkedIn profile, Facebook page, or Instagram account can work wonders. Share valuable content, engage with your audience, and showcase your expertise. This will attract clients and build credibility. To kick things off, offer a few free coaching sessions. This builds experience and a portfolio of testimonials. Word of mouth is powerful. Leverage online platforms. Use tools like Zoom or Skype. List your services on coaching marketplaces. Try PayHip, Coach Accountable, Paperbell, Coaching Loft, Satori, Nudge, and Thinkific. Connect with clients worldwide. Always strive for continual growth and learning. Read books, take courses, and stay updated with trends. The more you learn, the better coach you'll become. So there you have it. Starting your own online coaching business is incredibly rewarding. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.